Welcome to Sharvana's Knowledge Hub. This video introduces the concept of dosage forms, which are the different physical forms in which medications are produced and administered, such as tablets, capsules, and injectable liquids. Here is the flow chart of dosage form. Monophasic liquid dosage forms are medications in which the drug is completely dissolved in a single-phase liquid, making them easy to administer and ideal for various uses, including oral, external, special, and injectable applications. Monophasic liquid dosage forms are pharmaceutical preparations where one or more active ingredients are completely dissolved in a single-phase solution. These are essential in medicine for delivering drugs efficiently via multiple routes, particularly useful for children, the elderly, and patients who have difficulty swallowing solid drugs. Dosage forms are the mechanism by which drug molecules APIs are administered to areas of action inside the body to generate maximum intended benefits and the lowest unwanted effects. Or, the dosage form is the combination of active pharmaceutical ingredients, API, and excipients in the formulation. Monophasic liquid dosage forms oral use includes mixtures, tinctures, drafts, elixirs, syrups, nasal drops. Mixtures, one or more medications are included in liquid oral preparations. Linctisers. A linctisers is a medicine in the form of a syrup, taken to relieve coughs and sore throats. Drafts. Liquid oral formulations comprising single or several doses of medication. Elixirs. Excipients and medicaments in a liquid formulation for oral administration. Syrups. With or without sugar and medicaments, sweet, viscous, concentrated liquid medicines are made. Nasal drops, drop-instilled liquid solutions used to treat nose infections and blockages. Monophasic liquid dosage forms for external use includes lotions. External liquid preparations are generally administered without friction. Liniments. The application of external liquid preparations is generally done via friction. Collodions. Syrupy solution of nitrocellulose in a mixture of alcohol and ether, used for coating things, chiefly in surgery and in a former photographic process. Monophasic liquid dosage forms for special use include gargles, externally applied aqueous solutions that are concentrated for treating throat infection. Mouthwashes. In a similar manner to gargles, these mouthwashes are used for oral cleanliness and to treat oral infections. Throat paint is the solution or dispersion of one or more effective product used for the treating mouth and throat infection. Eye lotions are sterile aqueous solutions intended for use in rinsing or bathing the eye or for impregnating eye dressings in order to cover the eye. Eye drops are liquid solutions you put on the surface of your eyes, a drop or two at a time. Sprays. Application of alcohol-containing medication aerosols to the nose or throat using an atomizer or nebulizer. Douches is an aqueous solution directed against a part or into a cavity of the body. It functions as a cleansing or antiseptic agent. Enemas are injections of fluids used to cleanse or stimulate the emptying of your bowel. Inhalations. It consists of pharmaceutical liquid preparations for internal consumption, which are either dispersed or suspended in the propellant. Aerosols, dispersion of solid or liquid particles in gas for application to the respiratory tract, using an atomizer. Parenteral solutions in that. Parenteral preparations are defined as solutions, suspensions, emulsions for injection or infusion, powders for injection or infusion, gels for injection and implants. Like, share and subscribe the channel.